circuit that I put together, system that gathers weather information. The reason that I did this was because I was curious about the actual altitude, pressure altitude, and density altitude for the place where I'm at. And this system consists of an Arduino Uno, shown here, which is doing all the calculations and talking to my computer through the IDE. And then I use this breadboard shield in order, which plugs right into the Uno. And the reason I did it this way was so that I could pull it off of my Uno and use my Uno for other things if I desired. So on this breadboard that I have here, I have three major components. I have a MS6511, which is an atmospheric sensor. It gives me atmospheric information and barometric pressure. And then I have an SHT21, which is a relative humidity sensor, and that gives me temperature and relative humidity. And then on this board I also have a micro SD card adapter, so all of this information gets saved onto an SD card. And then I take that SD card and plug it into this little adapter and put it in my laptop, and then this is the kind of information that it spits back to me. For instance, for a 2-week period here in October, here's the temperature swing over 24 hours of day. So from 0 to 24 hours each day, you can see the cyclic pattern in temperature. And the pressure, which follows that somewhat. And, the pressure altitude. So here's the pressure, which actually has some correlation with the temperature. And this is the pressure altitude. The actual altitude here is around 2,600 feet. And as you can see, that's probably middle of the road for what's being recorded and calculated here. And then the density altitude, which has a pretty dramatic swing dependent upon pressure and temperature. And the equations for those will be shown at the end of the video, along with these plots.